Country Animals, written by Catalina Page. Some people live in the country. Many kinds of animals live in the country too. Deer live in the country. They eat twigs from trees. Robins live in the country. They make nests in trees. Squirrels live in the country. They eat nuts from trees. Geese and ducks live in the country. They swim in lakes. Raccoons live in the country. They wash their food in rivers. Foxes live in the country. They run and play in the fields. Cows live in the country. They eat grass from fields. Mice live in the country. They eat grains from fields. Do you see animals where you live? What kinds of animals do you see?